Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I have a freebie here for you on my desk today. It is freebie number 22. It coordinates with the Botanical Collage and Cluster Mega Pack series. I just released the add-on pink kit. So now there's the base green neutral kit, and then there's the yellow add-on, red add-on, blue add-on. So we have here, let me show you real quick, 43-page botanical neutral and green base kit. And then we have it in the red add-on, 43 pages, the blue, 42 pages, the yellow, 34 pages. And then I just introduced, sorry, just reaching over here, the pink add-on, 45 pages. And you can find it in my Etsy shop. You can also find these in my Kofi shop for a little bit cheaper than I can offer it in Etsy. And yeah, so that's that. And so here is one of the freebies. There's a freebie number 22, and there's also a freebie number 23, which I will do a flip through in a separate video. So this freebie consists of 4 beautiful pages. They are collage pages that are fully decorated and full of all kinds of yumminess. Love it so much. So we got bugs and butterflies and moths and birds and leaves and botanicals. Cool paint swatch here. Yeah, I really like how they've turned out. And then I took all of the focal points away. You could actually just cut this paint swatch out, which would be really cool. It's got a staple on there. But yeah, I took all the focal points out so that you can rip it up and tear it up and create with it and use it in your collage and clusters and such and add your own focal points. And then I did the same thing in yellow. And then the pink kit, there's the add-on is has 2 collage pages as well in the pink. So here we have beautiful florals and a birdie, some bugs, bumblebee. Yeah, really pretty. And then there, the focal points have been taken off. And I left this paint swatch clean. So you have the yellow one, and then you have it also in the green one, and there's also one in the pink kit as well. So those are super fun. So that is freebie number 22. You can find it in my Kofi shop, and the links to that will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.